How's it going, guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to finish up the next part of rebuilding the wheels. We're going to bring the wheels to the tire shop, get the tires unmounted. We're probably going to keep them because they're fairly new, so I'll just throw them back on once we get them rebuilt. And other than that, today we're going to go do a little photo shoot in downtown. For Deviant, I'm gonna have my girlfriend Anna. She's gonna be wearing their sweatshirt and everything like that, and we're gonna get some pictures for their page and for their website. Other than that, we might, if I have time tonight after taking the tires off, I might start taking apart the wheels, start taking out the hardware and everything like that and separating all the pieces, but we'll see, I guess, what we get to. But this is the other car. This is a 2005 SRT4. I can go over a mods list. Once we do the fix, we gotta throw in and wire a new alternator in here because got a little too hot, and yeah, so we gotta splice that, and then we gotta put on a new connector right here, and then wire it back up. I'll probably charge the battery, and then that thing should be good to go. And I'll do like a little kind of overview of this car, and then maybe a little ride in it, and we'll go from there. But yeah, we finished ceramic coating the lips, and we gotta wait that 24 hours, and then we should be good to go tomorrow. So yeah, this is the spot out in downtown. We're gonna start the photo shoot. He's just getting a few pictures of just the cars right now, and then and I'll hop in for some pictures, and we'll get some pictures with the sweatshirt for Deviant, and we'll wrap it up. But I'll get some shots while they're taking some pictures, and we'll go from there. And then we'll probably head home, take the wheels off, bring them to the tire shop, and get a roll on that, and go from there. Start maybe taking the wheels apart if I got time tonight before it gets too dark, or I might just bring them inside my apartment and do it anyway. But we'll get some footage for that. Anna's hopping in. They're getting some pictures with the hoodie, and we'll probably go and shoot over there behind me over in the sun after this, get some in the shade and then some in the sun, get some different lighting aspects of it, see what ones come out better. then we'll probably head out, maybe get some rollers on the way back home, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, well, we just finished up with the shoot on the parking garage. We're going to head out back to my house, and then we're gonna get some rollers on the way there, and then we'll start taking off the wheels off my car. Alrighty, well, we just got home. I'm gonna jack up the car, take all the wheels off, and hopefully get to the tire shop in time to get all the tires off of the wheels. And if I have time after some of the other stuff I gotta do today, I might start taking them apart, but we'll see how that goes. Alrighty guys, we finally made it back home. I was gonna video me uploading or loading up the Lancer. That's my daily. I'll show you that in a little bit, but it was coming real close. They closed at 5:30. I left at like 5:15, and luckily I got there just in time. They luckily hooked me up, but they got all the tires off, and luckily they hooked me up and they unmounted all of them. I kept the tires just because they're pretty much brand new, so I'll just re-put those on. But yeah, we got those all off, and we'll probably finish it up sometime tomorrow. So we should be good to go. We're back, and it's getting pretty late, so I'll probably call it a day today. But tomorrow we'll finish up the next part of the wheels and start taking them apart, cleaning them up, and maybe even put them back together if I have time. I'm not sure exactly what's going on tomorrow, but we should be able to finish them up. So yeah, but thank you guys for tuning in again, and I'll see you in the next one.